In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your scheduling link and add it to your website. We'll start by heading to your scheduling page. This is the place in your booking tool where your available times and services are shown. Make sure you're already signed in and on the correct page for the calendar you want to share, so the link you copy is the right one for your customers. Once you're on the scheduling page, click on the link option you see there. Different tools label this differently, but you're looking for the shareable link that customers can open to view your availability. When you see the link, copy it. Now paste that link where you communicate with your customer and send it to them. This could be in your built-in customer message area, a chat window, or any spot in your system that says you can send it here. The goal is to make sure the customer receives that exact URL so they can book directly without back and forth. The next thing is to go to your direct link. Some platforms provide a shorter or dedicated direct link for your booking page. Open that direct link so you can confirm it's the one you want to share more broadly, and then copy the link. Keeping both versions handy can be useful. The first for one-to-one messaging and the direct link for places where many visitors might click it. Now let's add that link to your website. I'll use a Wix website as an example, but the same idea applies to most site builders. Open your website editor and go to the page and section where you want people to click to book. I'll select a piece of text that will act as our call to action. For instance, something like book an appointment or schedule now. I'll just click on the text to select it, and then I will click link. In the link options, choose web address since we're linking out to your scheduling page. Paste the link you copied into the web address field, double check that the link is complete and looks correct, then click on done. At this point, your text is linked to your scheduling page, making it easy for visitors to access your calendar from your site. If your builder shows a preview, you can glance at how it looks to your visitors. When you're satisfied, publish or save your changes so the link is live. That's all you need to reliably share your scheduling link directly with customers and